Welcome back, everyone. Please hit like and subscribe. Anyway, I forgot to take a video after day 6. It was so late that day, and yeah, day 6. So this is day 7, end of day 7. So consider 6 and 7. So what I'm doing is building a 5 by 12 camper total, and the total length is about 15.5 feet with the tongue, so left me about 3.5 feet there. So a little bit shorter than maybe I would have liked, but I had to fit it in the garage, so that's fine. Anyway, I got a lot of stuff done recently. Got the most of the camper done using 1x1 14 gauge. I know I'm getting a lot of that questions for the main cabin. Rochelle got half of the fenders on today, so working on that. I can't put the up above until I get the siding done over the wheels, so just kind of laying that out. Got to cap all the end tubes there. Everything is just kind of tack welded. Reason why I have the bar in the back here, as you can see, that's going to be the galley. The middle bar there in the front of the galley, I'm going to put a bunk bed there, so I wanted kind of a support. So it's going to be this next 2 feet right here, is I'm going to put a bunk bed for my 4-year-old daughter, so she could have that. And then windows there on each side, got on eBay, 80 bucks delivered. And then in this space is going to be the door. So I plan on getting a 26 wide by 30 door, and then I'll have to figure that out. So I have to get that all taken care of and ordered, so and measure that out and frame it out, so it won't be too bad. The front box here is going to be on the left side. When I'm facing it now is going to be the heater, which, sorry for the zoom, but I'm going to put that in this one on the left side, and the air conditioning on top sticking in here. And then on the right side is going to be all the batteries, solar, converter, those kind of things, all the electrical portions. So I figure that leaves me enough room, and I probably will have a little bit on the top to be able to probably keep some storage above that. So just depends on how much it takes up and everything else. So I know on the other side I won't really have that because of the air conditioning, but maybe a little bit above top. And this side I should have probably about half of it, and it's 4 feet high total in the back, and the slant comes down about 4 or 5 inches, so just a little aerodynamic, but not too much. Trying to keep it a square top camper. Wheels are in the axles. I know they do look a little bit forward, but they're 60-40 split, so they're located, the middle of the wheel is 5 feet from the back, which the overall bed is 12 feet. So what I read is 6 feet minus how the inches, so that brings me down to 5 foot, and the overall length is 15.5 foot. So still the wheel center is 5 feet from the back. So I think in either case that should work out fine. Going to be a little heavy on the front, but I do plan on putting a water tank in the back behind here, right in this spot. And then I'm going to put some underground storage below the galley, kind of on a slider. So that's actually going to be pretty cool. So please subscribe. Got the idea from someone else, and hopefully it works out fantastically. So no fenders on this side yet, and on the other side, as you can see, I have just one step here and use the Harbor Freight Titanium 125. It's pretty cool, works well. And this side is just tacked up, and I'll probably either wire mesh it or diamond. Not really 100% sure yet, to see what looks better or what I can get and what's available. Also up top here, you can kind of see I put there's a gap there for the roof vent. There was a great deal on Woot for the fantastic 1250, which was normally $153 on Amazon, and Woot was $102. So that was really something, a great deal delivered. So, and it actually got shipped to me by Amazon, so go figure. Anyway, any questions, just let me know. I'd love to help out anyone. I know I've been getting a lot of questions about the gauge tubing and stuff like that, so I figured I'd answer that now. But just let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Hope all's well, and please subscribe. Thank you.